Okay.
One photo with Keisha. Do a wonderful job.
Yes. Thank you.
Please here.
Thank you. Thank you much. Thank you. I would like to give you. Yes. One. This Tibetan craftsmanship. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Holiness.
Then, usually I describe Buddha, ancient Indian thinker, philosopher. Of course, to Buddhist, this is Buddhist teacher, Buddha. But to ordinary people, other people, Buddha consider as a thinker and a philosopher. So from that aspect, he also consider, some extent, he also scientist, like that. So, thank you.
Seine Heiligkeit. Seine Heiligkeit hat die Buddha-Statue dem Herrn Landeshauptmann geschenkt und dabei gesagt, dass dem Buddha auch als Philosoph, als Denker